Did you know that 80% of women feel anxious about traveling alone? Yet, millions of women embark on solo adventures every year. In fact, studies show that solo female travel is increasing by 50% annually. With the right tips and tricks, you can transform that anxiety into excitement and confidence. Welcome to Travel Hacks for Women, Smart and Stylish Tips. In this guide, we'll explore how to pack like a pro, look fabulous on the go, and stay safe while embracing the thrill of adventure. You'll discover must-have apps, clever packing strategies, and even how to make friends on the road. Get ready to unlock the secrets to stress-free travel that keeps you looking chic and feeling empowered. So, grab your suitcase, and let's dive into the world of smart and stylish travel. Your adventure awaits. Chapter 1. Power Packing. Essentials to stay chic and light. When it comes to packing, most women tend to overpack. But here's the truth. You can travel light and still look chic. According to a survey by Samsonite, 57% of travelers admit to packing more than they need. The trick is learning to pack smart, not more. Start by choosing versatile pieces that can mix and match. Think neutral tops and bottoms that you can style up or down. Packing cubes are your best friend. Not only do they save space, but they also keep you organized. In fact, Condé Nast Traveler claims that packing cubes can reduce luggage space by 30%. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to make the most of every inch of your suitcase. Another tip? Don't forget about layering. A lightweight scarf, cardigan, or jacket can easily transform any outfit and keep you warm when temperatures drop. And instead of bringing your entire shoe collection, opt for 2 pairs, one comfortable pair for walking and one stylish pair for evenings out. For accessories, go for small but impactful pieces. A statement necklace or bold earrings can instantly elevate your look without taking up too much room. And when it comes to toiletries, pack multi-use products. A good BB cream, for example, can serve as a moisturizer, sunscreen, and foundation all in one. Lastly, weigh your luggage. According to Travel Plus Leisure, the average traveler's suitcase weighs 40 pounds, but airlines often have a 50-pound limit. Don't get caught off guard, stay under the limit and avoid fees. The goal is to travel light, stay chic, and enjoy the freedom that comes with packing less. Chapter 2. Beauty on the go. Skincare and makeup. Travel safe secrets. Traveling can wreak havoc on your skin, but there's no need to compromise on your beauty routine while on the road. One essential tip is to keep your skincare products in travel-sized containers. Not only do these save space, but they also comply with TSA regulations. According to the TSA, containers must be 3.4 ounces or less to be carried on a plane. Dry air on flights can lead to dehydrated skin. To combat this, bring a hydrating facial mist. Studies show that airplane cabin air has about 12% humidity, less than the Sahara Desert. Regular spritzing will keep your skin feeling fresh and hydrated. When it comes to makeup, think multi-purpose. A good tinted lip balm can serve as both a lip color and blush. Lisa Eldridge, a famous makeup artist, swears by this hack for quick touch-ups while traveling. Another pro tip is to pack makeup remover wipes instead of liquid cleansers. They're convenient, mess-free, and perfect for travel. For long flights or train rides, consider applying a sheet mask. It might feel a bit extra, but your skin will thank you. A good sheet mask infuses hydration and nutrients directly into your skin, leaving it glowing upon arrival. Finally, don't forget sun protection. Whether you're flying to a tropical island or exploring a city, sunscreen is non-negotiable. Dermatologists recommend a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. This helps prevent sunburns and premature aging, things no one wants as a travel souvenir. Chapter 3. Fashion Fixes. Instant wardrobe repairs and hacks. Ever had a wardrobe malfunction while traveling? You're not alone. According to a survey by Travelodge, 1 in 3 women experiences some type of clothing disaster on a trip. But with a few hacks, you can fix almost any issue on the go. One common problem? Wrinkled clothes. Instead of lugging around a bulky travel iron, hang your wrinkled garments in the bathroom while you shower. The steam helps release wrinkles naturally. It's quick, free, and works like magic. Broken zipper? No problem. Rub the teeth of the zipper with a bar of soap or the edge of a pencil. This will lubricate the zipper and help it glide smoothly. If you're dealing with a loose button, carry a small emergency sewing kit with you. It takes up almost no space and can save you from losing your favorite shirt mid-trip. Safety pins are another must-have. These little wonders can fix everything from a broken strap to a gaping top. And if you're worried about blisters from new shoes, pack some moleskin or blister pads. Trust me, it's a game changer. For a quick fashion transformation, a scarf is your best friend. It can be worn as a shawl, tied around your hair, or even used as a belt in a pinch. Fashion stylist Rachel Zoe often talks about how a scarf can elevate any look with minimal effort. Lastly, if you find yourself in need of a quick hem repair but lack a needle and thread, use double-sided tape. It's a temporary fix, but it works in a pinch. Always remember, travel is unpredictable, but being prepared ensures you'll look good no matter what happens. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing travel hacks that will enhance your journeys. Chapter 4. Tech-savvy travels. Apps and gadgets. Every woman needs. Traveling smart isn't just about packing, it's about using the right tools. Today's tech can make your journey smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Did you know that 85% of travelers now rely on their smartphones for navigation, booking, and information? That's why having the right apps is essential. Start with navigation. Google Maps is a go-to, but you can download maps for offline use, so you're never lost, even without internet. Citymapper is another great app, especially if you're in big cities with complex public transportation systems. It not only gives you the fastest routes but also compares walking, biking, and public transit options. Next up, language apps. If you're traveling to a country where you don't speak the language, Google Translate can be a lifesaver. It even has a feature where you can point your camera at foreign text, and it will translate on the spot. According to Statista, over 500 million people use this app each month. For booking flights and accommodations, Hopper is your best friend. It uses historical data to predict the best time to book flights, helping you save up to 40%. Another gem is Skyscanner, which lets you compare prices and find the best deals across airlines and dates. When it comes to safety, TripIt is a must-have. It keeps all your travel details organized in one place and sends you alerts if your flight changes or gets delayed. Plus, it has a feature that tells you if your hotel or neighborhood is in a safe zone. Don't forget the tech gadgets. A portable charger is non-negotiable. Anker's PowerCore is compact but powerful, keeping your phone and other devices charged throughout the day. And for peace of mind, consider a portable Wi-Fi hotspot. Staying connected, especially in areas without reliable internet, can make all the difference when traveling solo. Chapter 5. Safe and stylish. Confidence-boosting travel safety tips. Safety should always be top of mind when traveling, but that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style. In fact, a few smart strategies can keep you safe while you stay fashionable. Did you know that 80% of solo female travelers feel more confident using certain safety tools and apps? It's all about preparation. First, let's talk about handbags. Choose one with a crossbody strap. This makes it harder for anyone to snatch it. PackSafe offers stylish bags with anti-theft features like lockable zippers and slash-proof materials. But if you love your own bag, simply use small locks on the zippers for extra protection. Next, avoid flashy jewelry in areas where theft might be an issue. You can still look chic with simple accessories. It's about blending in rather than standing out. According to travel experts, looking less like a tourist reduces your chances of being targeted. Another key tip is to make use of hotel safes. Keep your passport, extra cash, and any valuables locked away when you're out exploring. But don't just assume all safes are secure. A clever hack is to keep a copy of your passport on your phone or in a hidden travel pouch just in case. Speaking of cash, don't carry all your money in one place. Split it between your bag, pockets, and a hidden money belt. This ensures you won't lose everything if your wallet goes missing. Rick Steves, the travel expert, emphasizes how money belts can give you peace of mind while moving through crowded areas. For safety apps, Be Safe is excellent for solo travelers. It lets you share your location with trusted contacts and even has an emergency alarm button. Another great app is GeoShore, which provides real-time safety ratings for different neighborhoods, so you know which areas to avoid. Finally, trust your instincts. If something feels off, don't hesitate to leave. Being aware of your surroundings and staying alert are the best safety tools you can have. If you loved these travel tips and want to see more exciting content, make sure to subscribe. Join our community of savvy female travelers ready to explore the world with confidence and style.